Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change country in Freecash. So VPN doesn't work here. So all you need to do is press on this conversation tag and then press on this headphone. Now you choose I need help with my account. This one. Now you will see the option speak to the team. You can speak to them and explain that you have already moved from another country to a new country, and they will verify that using the IP address, and then they will update you and update your profile with the new country, maybe the new currency and everything, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.